today is the day that I get to show you how to braid this gorgeous hair. We're gonna show you a fun little video how you can do braids to a bun. You can do it to work out, you can do it when you have dirty hair, you need just a little quick hairstyle, and it's gonna be so easy. All I'm gonna do is split her hair in two, and I'm not doing it perfect, like it's not a perfect part in the back. I'm just splitting it in half, and then I'm going to braid one side. So all I'm gonna do is do a 3-strand braid down, and I'm adding hair as I go. Okay, so after that, then we're gonna ponytail it off, and then we're just gonna wrap this around and tuck this in. We're just gonna bobby pin this down, or you could even just rubber band it. Okay, so there you have the first bun. We're going to do the second one. Same thing, just braiding, adding hair as we're going. There you have your cute, sporty braids to a bun. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you can try out this cute, fun hairstyle, and we'll see you next time.